Friends, I am to present a very interesting topic, Vedic calendar from the Taittiriya Brahmana. Pranamya Shirasa Kalamabhimadya Saraswatim Kalajnanam Prapakshami Lagadhasya Mahatmanaha. I should clarify that the presentation has got nothing to do with Lagadha's Vedanga Jyotisha. Just I recited a verse from Lagadha, that's all. In the Vedic literature, we get references to various units of time such as Kala, Muhurta, Kashtha, Truti, Nimesha, Ahaha, Ratrihi, Ahoratra, Ardhamasa, Masa, Rutu, Samvatsara, Parivatsara, Idavatsara, etc. Also, we get names of some time units such as Madhuscha, Madhavascha, Vasantika Vratu, Madhu, Madhava, Shukra, Shuchi, Nabha, Nabhasya, Isha, Urja, Saha, Sahasya, Tapa, Tapasya, the names of lunar months, and Vasanta, Grishma, Varusha, etc., the names for seasons. Also, we get instructions to perform such some rites. It is not WRITE, some rituals. In the prescribed period of time, such as Kritika Swagnimadadhita, Punarvasva Radadhita, Vasanta Brahmanognimadadhita, etc. However, we do not get any reference in which a particular day, whether past, present or future, is referred to based upon a calendar prepared beforehand. Such a situation is never seen. In this connection, it may be exciting to know that we can make out a calendar from a Vedic chapter. It will be more surprising to note that every month, every fortnight, and every day and night of the year has been designated a name here. Even for a small unit of 3.2 minutes, Muhurta, a special name is given. It is so precise that to refer to a Muhurta of a particular day of the year, one has to mention only 3 terms. For example, to refer to the time unit 10:20 AM to 11:08 AM on the 14th October 2022 at Calicut, India, one has to utter 3 names only: Sudravina, Vishwarupam and Jwalan. This year is called Shubhakrit, and 14th October falls on the 6th month, Nabhasya or Proshtapada, and in the Vedic calendar it is the 7th month. Vedic calendar given in the Taittiriya Brahmana starts with the month Phalguna. So this is the 7th month, and on 14th October, the 14th October is the 5th day of the dark fortnight. So it is the 7th fortnight. 7th fortnight is named Sudravina. We shall see later. And the 5th day of the 7th dark fortnight is named as Vishwarupa. And this particular unit of time or period of time, starting from 10:20 to 11:08, it is the 6th Muhurta, and 6th Muhurta is named Jwalan. We shall get into details later. So, Sudravina, Vishwarupam and Jwalan. Sudravina stands for seventh dark fortnight. Vishwarupam stands for fifth day and Jwalan stands for the sixth Muhurta. To refer to a small unit of time like Muhurta, 48 minutes of a particular day, only 3 entries are required. Now, which part or portion of Taittiriya Brahmana gives this calendar? It is the 10th chapter of the third Prapataka of the Taittiriya Brahmana. As we all know, 5 chapters of Taittiriya Brahmana are said to have been adopted from Katha branch. Hence, Vedadhyayins call them as Kathaka Prashnas. Taittiriya Brahmana 310 to 312 and Taittiriya Aranyaka first and second chapters. Taittiriya Aranyakas, they are not called as Kathaka Prashnas by traditional scholars. Only the 10th, 11th and 12th chapters of the third Kanda are called Kathaka Prashnas. Bhattabhaskara says that 8 Kandas have been adopted. Tradition calls Taittiriya Brahmana 310 to 312 as Kathaka Prashna. In fact, this chapter, Taittiriya Brahmana 310, deals with not Vedic calendar proper. It deals with Savitragni Chayana. Chayana or Chiti is a sacrificial rite in which ritualistic piling of bricks to form altars assumes prime importance. Savitragni Chayana is such a ritual. 185 ishtakas are to be piled in concentric circles. Each ishtaka has a name which is identified with the names of months, fortnights, days, nights, muhurtas and muhurtas in a year. That is how the time units are related to the piling of bricks or the rite of Savitragni Chayana. These 185 bricks, they have got names. These names are the names of months, fortnights, dark and bright fortnights, days, nights, muhurtas. Muhurta means a small time unit of 48 minutes and muhurtas. Muhurta is very small time unit, 3.2 minutes. Now, these are the names of 12 months and the 13th intercalary month has also been listed here. So these are the 13 months and these months are lunar months. The names of lunar months or the set of lunar months Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashadha are very popular in India. But the same months are referred to in the Vedic literature by a different set of names: Madhu, Madhava, Shukra, Shuchi, Nabha, Nabhasya, etc. This set of months is also very well known. Even dictionaries like Amarakosha have recorded these names. But in this particular chapter, we get another set of names for lunar months. And these are the names: Arunaha, Arunarajaha, Pundarikaha, Vishwajit, Abhijit, Ardraha, Pinvamanaha, Annavan, Resavan, Iravan, Sarvaushadhaha, Sambharaha, Mahaswan. Bhattabhaskara in his commentary says Arunadayo Masaha. Aruno Runaraja Pundariko Vishwajidabhijit Ardrah Pinvamanonavan Resavaniravan Sarvaushadhasam Bharo Mahasvan. That is the passage. And we have to take note that Aruna stands for Phalguna Masa or the Tapasya Masa and not Chaitra or Madhu And this is the list giving the names of 3 sets of lunar months: Madhu, Madhava, etc., Chaitra, Vaishakha, etc., and the new set, Aruna, Arunarajaha, Pundarika, etc. So Aruna, the month Aruna corresponds to the Tapasya Masa or the Phalguna Masa. Now these are the names of fortnights, both bright and dark. Bright fortnights, 15 fortnights, 12 fortnights, and bright and dark. The names are given: Pavitram, Pavayishyan, Puta, Medhya, Yasha, Yashaswan, Ayuh, Amritaha, Jivaha, Jivishyan, Swargaha, Lokaha. These are the names of the bright fortnights of the year. And the dark fortnights, their names are Sahaswan, Sahiyan, Ojaswan, Sahamanaha, Jayan, Abhijayan, Sudravinaha, Dravinodaha, Ardra Pavitraha, Harikeshaha, Modaha, Pramodaha. Bhattavaskara says Pavitradayah Purvapakshaha, Sahaswadadayah Aparapakshaha. The Brahmana itself says Pavitram Pavaishyan Sahaswan Sahiyan Aruno Runaraja iti Etenuvaka Ardhamasanancha Masanancha Namadheyani. That means the passages starting with Pavitram Pavaishyan, Sahaswan Sahiyan, and Arunaha Arunarajaha, 3 sets. These 3 passages give the names of the Ardhamasas, both bright and dark, Purva Paksha and Apara Paksha, and the Masas, the months. So the Pavitram Pavaishyan, the list starting with Pavitram Pavaishyan, etc., stands for or gives the names of bright fortnights. Pavitram Pavaishyan Puto Medhyaha Esho Eshasvanajur Amritaha Jivo Jivishyan Swargo Lokaha. That's the passage. And the list or the set starting with the Sahaswan, Sahiyan, etc., gives the names of dark fortnights or Aparapakshas. Sahaswan, Sahiyan, Ojaswan, Sahamanaha, Jayan, Abhijayan, Sudravinodravinodaha, Ardrapavitro, Harikesho, Modah, Pramodaha. And these are the names of the days of a bright fortnight. In a bright fortnight, we have got 15 days. All these names or these days are given names, particular name for each day of the bright fortnight. Samyanam Vijnanam Darisha Drishteti Etavanuvakau Purva Pakshasya Horatranam Namadheyani. That's the Brahmana passage. It means that these 2 Anuvakas, one starting with Samyanam Vijnanam and the other starting with Darisha Drishta, give the days, names of days and nights of the bright fortnight. Here this list contains the names of days of the bright fortnight. Purva Pakshasya Annam Namadheyani. Samyanam, Vijnanam, Pratnyanam, Janat, Abhijanat, Sankalpamanam, Prakalpamanam, Upakalpamanam, Upakliptam, Kliptam, Shreyaha, Vasiyaha, Ayat, Sambhutam, Bhutam. When I say days of the bright fortnight, this day means only the ahaha, the daytime. That is the time unit from sunrise to sunset, not the whole day of 24 hours. So these are the days of the bright fortnight, 15 days. संज्ञानं विज्ञानं प्रज्ञानं जानदभिजानत् संकल्पमानं प्रकल्पमानमुपकल्पमानमुपक्लिप्तं क्लिप्तं श्रेयो वसीय आयत् सम्भूतं भूतं. That is the passage. And this list is the names of nights of the same bright fortnight. दर्शा दृष्टा दर्शता विश्वरूपा सुदर्शना आप्यायमानाप्यायमानाप्यायासो नृतेराः आपूर्यमाणा पूर्यमाणा पूरयन्ति पूर्णा पौर्णमासी. Bhattavaskara says this darshadayah purvapakshasya ratrayah, and these are the days of dark fortnight. Aparapakshasya annham namadheyani prastutam vishtutam samstutam kalyanam vishwarupam shukram amrutam tejasvi tejah samidham arunam bhanumat marichimat abhitapat tapat. 15 days of the dark fortnight. प्रस्तुतं विष्णुतगं सद्वस्तुतं कल्याणं विश्वरूपं शुक्रममृतं तेजस्वी तेजस्समिद्धं अरुणं भानुमन्मरीचिमदभितपत्तपस्वत्. That is a passage. And these are the nights of the dark fortnight. Sutta sunvati prasuta soyamana bhishuyamana पीति प्रपा संपा तृप्तिस्तर्पयन्ति कांत काम्य कामजाता युष्मति कामदुघाः. सुता इत्यादीनि अपरपक्षस्य रात्रयः. That is a statement of Bhattavaskara. And the Brahmana itself gives or states that these are the names of the nights of the dark fortnight. Prastutam vishtutagam sutasunvatiti etavanuvaka paparapakshasya horatranam namadheyani. There are two anuvakas, starting with prastutam vishtutam, that is one, and suta sunvati, etc. That is the second one. And this second anuvaka, second passage, gives the names of ratris of the Aparapaksha, nights of the dark fortnight. Now, the muhurtas of the days are given names. Muhurta means 48 minutes. Days means daytime, 12 hours. And for bright night and bright fortnight and dark fortnight, these names differ. This list gives the muhurtas of the daytime of the bright fortnight. Chitra ketur data pradata savita prasavita bhishasthanumanteti etenu vaka muhurtana namadheyani namuhurteshvartimarchati ya evam veda. There is a passage. Here we get the list. Chitra केतुः प्रभान आभान संभान ज्योतिष्मान तेजस्वान आतपन तपन अभितपन रोचनः रोचमानः शोभनः शोभमानः कल्याणः. चित्रः केतुः प्रभान आभान संभान ज्योतिष्मागस्तेजस्वान आतपगस्तपन अभितपन रोचनो रोचमानः शोभनः शोभमानः कल्याणः. Vedic priests, ignorant of this fact that these are the names of some time units, they use this passage for blessing people, especially blessing couple in the marriage ceremony, because the word kalyana comes. So friends, so these are the names of muhurtas of a day in the bright fortnight. And this list gives the muhurtas of the night of the bright fortnight itself. दाता प्रदाता नंदो मोदः प्रमोदः आवेशयन् निवेशयन् संवेशनः सगं शान्तः शान्तः आभवन् प्रभवन् संभवन् सम्भूतो भूतः दात्रादयः तस्यैव रात्रेर्मुहूर्ताः. That is Bhatta Bhaskara. And muhurtas of the night of the dark fortnight they are given here in this list. Muhurtas of the, there will be 15 muhurtas in a day of 12 hours as well as 15 muhurtas in the night of 12 hours. 12 hours 15 muhurtas, 1 hour 60 minutes and 1 muhurta 48 minutes. These are the 15 muhurtas of the muhurtas of the night of a dark fortnight. Abhisasthanumanta nando modah pramodah आसादयन् निषादयन् सगं साधनः सगं सन्नः सन्नः आभूर्विभुः प्रभुः शम्भुर्भुवः. That's the passage. अभिशस्तादयः तस्यैव रात्रेर्मुहूर्ताः. Now I have cited some passages from Bhatta Bhaskara's commentary which clearly state all this whatever I have said. All these have been explicitly stated by Bhatta Bhaskara in his commentary. अथ अंतरस्यां त्रयोदश मासानि उपदधाति अरुणः इति अरुणः प्रथमः अरुणोदय कालवत् मंदप्रकाशः फाल्गुनः. Here we get the fact that Aruna stands for Phalguna Masa and not for Chaitra. It has been named Aruna because Mandaprakasha Arunodaya Kalavat, only a dim light will be there in the Aruna Masa, that is said here. And Aruna Rajaha Dvitiyaha Chaitraha Pundarikaha Tritiyaha Vaishakha Aravindavan. The third month is named as Pundarika because Bhatta Bhaskara says there would be a lot of lotuses, Aravindavan. Vishwajit Chaturtho Jyeshtha Mahatvadanham. The fourth month is named Vishwajit because days, the duration of days will be very, very long. Abhijit Panchamaha Ashadha. The fifth masa is Abhijit, that is Ashadha Masa. Abhijin Nakshatra Yogat Paurnamasya. On this month, the new moon falls on Abhijit Nakshatra. Ardraha Shashthaha Shravanaha Ardratvat Sarvasyaha Bhuvaha. The Shravana Masa is named as Ardra because the whole earth will be drenched in rainwaters. Pinvamanaha Saptamaha Proshtapadaha Dhanya Samardhya Jagatah Prinanat. Annavan Ashtamaha Ashwayujaha Sharada Dhanya Nirvritya. Rasavan Navamaha Kartikaha Bahukshiravan Ikshwadi Sampatyacha. Iravan Dashamaha Margashirshaha Dhanya Visheshotpatya Annavan. Sarvaushadhaha Ekadashaha Taishaha. Here we get the name Taisha for Pausha. Taishaha. That is a Vedic name. Sarvaushadhi Sampatya. Sambharo Dvadashaha Maghaha. Mahaswan Trayodashaha. Adhikamasattvena Mahatvagaritvat. The intercalary month, 13th month, is named as Mahaswan because it adds up. It makes, it elongates the year or the list of months. Now, I have chosen the day 14th October 2022 and I have chosen local time of Calicut from 11 to 11 o'clock I have taken the time, and it is the Shubhakrit Varsha and Proshtapada Masa, 6th lunar month if we count from Chaitra, but in the Vedic calendar we have to count from Phalguna. So this is the 7th month, that is Pinvamana, and this is a dark fortnight, Krishna Paksha. So 7th dark fortnight is Sudravina in the list. And the 14th October is the 5th day in the dark fortnight. So 5th daytime, that is Vishwarupa. And this particular period of time from 10:20 a.m. to 11:08, or this particular point of time 11 a.m. falls on the 6th Muhurta, that is Jwalan. So in order to refer to the time unit or time period from 10:20 to 11 a.m. of Calicut local time on the 14th October of 2022, one has to mention only 4 terms. Shubhakrit, that's the name of the year. Sudravina, name of the Paksha. Vishwarupa, name of the daytime. And Jwalan, name of the Muhurta. Thank you.